Hello everybody, today we make pasta with the Swiss chard. Look how beautiful look at the plum tomato. Plum tomato, it's really good. And the Swiss chard, it's a really good dish. Now this in Italy called pasta with bietole, or in dialect in my city, pasta e yate. For the ingredient we got a Swiss chard, and I got a garlic, onion, and plum tomato. We started with the plum tomato. The plum tomato I boil for a couple of minutes. Like this, the skin of the tomato, it come out so easy. And now we start cut the tomato. A cut and a half, like this. And I want to take the seeds out. And I got this dish over here for the seeds. And take it right out, put it back, like this. Okay, now we cut it like that, and we make a little cube, all like this. And we gotta do the same, all the tomato. I chop the garlic and the onion the same way. Now, the sweet chard, what happens, you gotta peel off this. A lot of time, when you cook this, you see this? You got this like a skin like that. And I peel off, because this can go on your throat, it can be choked. And I do like that. And you do inside the same thing. Look. Okay? Make sure to take it out this all the time. Now with the Swiss chard, we cut like this, small piece. But look how beautiful this color. Look, it got so many colors. It got the yellow, this I call red, white. It's all different. Okay, let's cut it and let's put it right on this dish over here. Okay, now we start with the sauce. And we put oil. Come on, oil, come out. Olive oil, olio di oliva. We will leave it warm up. Really good. And I got over here the garlic and onion. I chop already, but I wanted to warm up the oil first a little bit. And this one I put inside, you gotta go. All right, let me see. Oh yeah, I want to warm up a little bit more. You see, look like beep, 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 beep. Okay. Good. Now we saute the onion and the garlic a little bit. And after you gotta go the plum tomato. Okay, now it's the time of the plum tomato. And look at this. Beautiful. We give a nice turn. And this I'll leave it cooking now for 5 or 6 minutes. I got the water over there already with the salt, and I got to cook the Swiss chard for 3-4 minutes. Okay, look how beautiful look at the plum tomato. I got my own make sauce, but when I do with the fresh pasta like this, plum tomato, it's really good. Look how beautiful look. And with the little piece junk cube with the plum tomato with the pasta, and the Swiss chard, together, when you eat this, nice glass of wine, it's a really good dish. Okay, now the water boil, I salt already, and now we put the Swiss chard, Bietole. Now I'll give a little mix, because this, you don't gotta cook it too much, like 3 minutes. After over here, you gotta cook it for 3 minutes, I got a cold water with ice. Okay, this was boiling for a couple of 2 or 3 minutes, and now we take it out, and I got cold water with ice over here. And we drain this. And look how nice, a beautiful color, and with the ice, it stay green like this. And we stop the cook. Now, a lot of people, like in Italy, in Orsara, it was cooked the same water it was for the pasta, but look, it's too much color. Look how red the water is over there. Okay, now this is the sauce. Okay, the sauce is boil. We leave it boil nice, and now I take this out. And I squeeze like that. Okay, now we give a nice mix on this. Okay, good. Okay, we put a little salt, sea salt I got over here, a black pepper. Okay, we give a nice turn. And this I put the water already for the pasta, and I salt already the water. Okay, now this is everything ready to go. When the pasta is done, we put inside over here a nice dish for everybody. Okay, the pasta is done, and now we pick it up and we put it together over here. And let's drain. See, got a little water. I need a little water. That's why I don't want to drain really good. And look how beautiful look the cortecce. Okay. If I need more water, I can pick it up. And I use more water. Now we put it back over here. Turn this. Okay. And we make a nice mix with the Bietole, the Swiss Chard. I said good? Okay, good. You see, I started to learn English now. No, my wife, she said, no, you don't gotta say like this. You gotta say like this. And I said like this, okay? Look how beautiful it look. And now we put it right over here. It's so good. Nice. And now it's a time to eat. And I want to test this. Oh, look at this little pasta. Okay. And we put a little Parmigiano cheese on the top. Look at it. The snow come. And I got my, oh yeah, baby. Everybody say, Pasquale, what happened to your, oh yeah, baby? What happened to your wine? No worry about it. Today I got my wine and I got my, oh yeah, baby. And let's taste it now. Delicious. With the oil, baby, let me test now this. This is really spicy. Make sure to bite a small bite. You can taste the fresh tomato, the Bietole, the sweet Swiss Chard is so good. A nice glass of wine, and I want to say to everybody, salute e cin cin to everybody. I hope somebody make this. It's so good. Thank you very much, and we see next time. Thank you.